Have a nice day, everyone. This time I'll speak about this expression, aircraft specification. What is this? I will need this expression when I want to aircraft dry lease, Acme means wet lease, or sell or buy. So you will ask about the aircraft specification. What is this? I will speak about this. Please stop the video and read these informations. This is my channel, my photo, 3 items. I hope to comply. This is today, 31 May 2024. This is the first item, the aircraft. The aircraft, you need to, what is model? The model here, Airbus. Manufacturer, serial number, line number, variable number. Here, serial number for Airbus. Here, line number for Boeing. Look here, it's missing here. So, for the brokers, they can make to pairs and can get this aircraft and bypass the owner or the other brokers such that the registration also, no. The country of registration, no. Date of manufacture, yes. Current operator, no. Payload, yes. This is the weights of the aircraft. Maximum taxi weight, maximum takeoff weight, maximum landing weight, maximum zero fuel weight, operating empty weight. This is in the weight and balance manual. This is the status of airframe. The airframe hours here, airframe cycles, no problem. Here, the program MSG3 means this is a new program. The notes here, the interval of a check and C check here. Here, the type of check, the interval, last performed, due, next due, remaining. This is the status for the aircraft today. The landing gear. The landing gear has overall time. Here, the interval, 120 months, means 10 years. Here, the nose, left main, right main. Here, last performed. Here, not unknown here, but next due, here, 23. Means this is need overall. Okay? Engines, the positions here, 1 and 2, or left and right. Serial number, unknown here. The manufacturer, CFM, here, noise compliance. Total time, total cycles. Here, total time since last shop visit. Cycle since last shop visit. The first limiter for the engine 1 here, the second here. Here the life limited parts for engine 1 and here engine 2. This is, I just take one item only, but it is list here. Here one item, but it is list. Okay. The APU, some APUs have no life limited parts. The others have life limited parts. For here, the APU has one here, first limiter here. Okay, but I think there is 3. The list of equipment installed in aircraft. There is a list. Here, aircraft cabin LOBA to report. See the configuration, how many seats, classes, first class or all tourist class, so and so. This is short notes about the aircraft specification which you need in any Drylees, Acme, buy, sell. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much and goodbye.